Good morning. Today I'm off to Colchester to finish what we didn't even get started on Saturday due to Bumblebee hazards blinking, which I've fixed, but now my heated jacket and that isn't working. So first off, I'm just going to have a quick look under the bonnet before I get on my bike and ride. I'm hoping it's as simple as this. And she said, let there be heat.
Okay, moment of truth. Wasn't that? Oh well. Here we are at the Army and Navy again, which many of you may remember. Used to have a flyover, a one-way flyover going over there, but they had to take it down. It was unsafe. And they're now talking about having one of those roundabouts like they have at Stansted. So it's a roundabout that's got a road through the middle of it and traffic lights.
While this is playing, then please remember to hit that subscribe button. If you like this vlog, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your mates. Thank you.
This is all new. We're at like Boreham interchanges up that way. Big new rail station going in here for the new extended town outside of Chelmsford. Today I'm just heading straight up the A12 into Colchester because I did the lovely windy ride here on Saturday. That was up the old London Road, the Roman Road. The vlog, I'll put the link in the description. That was beautiful. Went up through Hatfield Peverell, through Wickham and into Colchester with lots of history. Today I'm just going to head straight into the town centre and meet my mate Lou, who's going to give us a guided tour of some of the statues and of the castle, and we'll get to see where Humpty Dumpty really did fall off the wall. I actually thought I was going to be early for once, but clearly not. My jacket's just come on. Yay! If at first you don't succeed, try again. I try again down the A12, but I always seem to end up with this sort of situation. We're just now going over North Hill. And I'm heading to the Metro Bank and Tesco's, where apparently there is some motorbike parking. Shortcut road, look, yeah, you know what my shortcuts are like, don't we? Oh, this is very pretty, isn't it? I like this. Oh, we're going up here. This is a tricky bit because it is all one way when I looked at the map and I'm like, oh no. We could be riding round in circles again. What, Tyler? He was a rebel, wasn't he? Revolutionary. Look at this. This is actually very stunning. Looks like I can't get through there, so that's no good. What's this parking here? That's a great sat-nav, isn't it? Business permit holders only. Right, turn around. Oh, there's the motorbike parking over there. So what I reckon, if I go round here... Oh, that's a dead end. That's no good then, is it? Let's try this way. Oh, there's a car park there. I might just have to bung it in there, mightn't I? If I can get through here. But then I'm going to be going the wrong way around the one-way system. Ow. Goodness gracious me. Oh, I can go in the bus lane, can't I? Let's go in the bus lane. Well, hopefully I can. I'll probably find out I can't when I get a ticket in the post. bike parking. And after all that, there's no blooming space. Okay, that's fine. Well, I think there is a car park further up here, so I'll head up and just find the car park. Loading. I might find disabled bay, mightn't I? Oh, disabled bay only Monday 8 till 6. There you go. Just disabled. Hopefully. It is. There's lots of disabled parking here. Opposite Wagamama, Turtle Bay, and I presume that is the town hall there.
I just stopped the traffic warden and said, is it 3-hour parking here? He went, oh, I don't have to read the sign because it's all different around Colchester. And I said, I didn't think to do that. But I just had a lovely long chat with him and he's great. And here is now, hello!
Morning!
Let's go have some fun. Lou is going to be my tour guide today. So first off, Lou, what do we have here?
Well, I'm not brilliant at this, but she's the walking woman. Represents modern Colchester. Yeah, she's been here a while. And it's very mixed opinions. Some people don't like her, but I think she's fantastic.
Hey, what's he up there?
I don't know what he is.
You don't know. He's just a man.
He just
Is he drinking coffee or?
drinking coffee, yeah.
Yeah.
It's part of Fenwick's, which is the old Keddies, as I said. It's amazing. It's hundreds of years old. I love the High Street. The architecture's quite amazing. And that's Jumbo. Can you see Jumbo? It's a big water tower with a green roof.
Oh right, yeah. I'm looking for an elephant.
No, that's Jumbo.
You can imagine those lampposts actually being lit, can't you?
Yeah.
Years and years and years ago. By the bloke in Mary Poppins, can't remember his name.
Oh, yeah.
1898, I'm just simply allowed to go in. We can get chucked out though.
Don't get in trouble.
No, I'm never getting into trouble. There was a lady on reception, so I just went, oh, hello, what's this used for? It's council. What a place to come and work, huh? The other week on Facebook, you were telling me about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
I was indeed.
Was related to here. Statue that's been built. Somebody raised loads of money for this, didn't they?
I think so.
Do it, yeah.
No, but
Yeah.
I didn't know about it till I moved here. So you've got the Red Lion Hotel, and it's apparently very haunted. They do some sort of tours of it at night. Yeah, a bit spooky.
I do like a little haunting.
Oh yeah, so do I. And
Might have to do that one night.
Oh yeah, I'd love to do that.
We're going to go and find Humpty Dumpty. Well, we can't because he's all smashed to smithereens, isn't he?
Absolutely.
I've never been a tour person here. So exciting.
Well, do you know, I'd never come here. My school never came here. Albans, when we went to see the Roman history, I don't know why.
Well, we're in, and the great news is that they do accept the access card. So, lose my plus one.
Hey!
£8.50.
Cheap date.
Yeah, always. You start upstairs, but there is actually a lift here. And as I've just come over to look at the lift, I've spotted this. Oh, what's this? Is it some sort of torture thing? Or is it something that throws?
I think it's
got cannonballs or something.
catapult thing, doesn't it?
Catapult, yeah.
It's a replica Roman
Ballista.
I would imagine
Things on fire?
things on fire.
The Romans were here in Colchester from AD 43 when they invaded Britain. It became their capital city. In AD 60, Boudicca came down from the Norfolk-Suffolk area and she attacked and she slayed them. There was not a person left alive in Colchester. Despite this, the Romans built the city up again and they actually remained and stayed here until AD 410 when they left Britain.
What did the Romans ever do for us? Central heating,
Sewers, baths,
drainage,
roads, very long straight roads.
very long straight roads.
Yeah. Probably just as well they invaded them, really.
Yeah. And actually, it's interesting. Colchester, there's a lot of like the straight road. There's loads of roads that are deadly straight. You can tell their influence is still here.
Yeah. I thought that was a bone for a minute, but it's not. It's a lead water pipe. Call yourself a nurse, Karina? It does look like a very short femur though. Or it could be a little bit phallic actually.
Handbag down. Let's go.
You've only just picked it up. You've got to
Story
do
of my
like.
life. Oh, this isn't as easy as it looks. I've never rid a horse. What am I doing all over the place? No, we're heading for it. No! Oh, they're going the wrong way. Oh no! I've crashed. I'm dead. I'd never be Boudicca, would I?
No. All little signs that you can touch or not touch because someone it will wrong. But what I do like is that they've got braille as well. This is the bit Lou wants to find with the witches.
Well, they really weren't witches at all, were they?
No. No.
Just that these days they'd just be called diverse.
Oh, like me.
Yeah.
Lou has now left me to my own devices. Recommended a walk through here. I think I should get that one. Still very nice. Keep an eye on the traffic lights, the pedestrians, the traffic, and taking the signs. So that was the High Street that we were in today. Apparently the town centre is further through. If you carry on back through past the red line, that's the actual town centre. But I'm not interested in shops and shopping Roman Road there because I spend money. So I don't need to spend.
But if you're enjoying this vlog and would like to spend some, then you can buy me a coffee. The link's in my bio and description, and it's very much appreciated.
This is what I like, all the really old buildings. Could do with a little bit of a revamp, but... So I'm going to go to Cressing Temple Barns, hopefully. Because my phone battery's nearly flat and it's not charging, so I'll have a pull over when I can. See what's going on with that. It's probably just another thing that I've broken because I have it outside all the time. And I didn't bring my TomTom with me today. So I wasn't sure if the charger would work. So another change of plan, unless I can find a shop with a charger. I won't be going there because I'll just get lost, won't I? At least if I just head out to the A12 and down to Chelmsford, I've got some hope of finding my way back to where I need to be. The bonus of not going to Cressing Temple means I get to pick my mate Lorraine up a little bit earlier for a good old pyjama party. Now, what did I watch last night? Oh, A United Kingdom on Netflix. Not one to watch before bed. Not if you get worked up like I do about the old British male hierarchy and the things that they did and probably still do. This is all changed as well. This is Boreham, interchange. A12 just down there towards London and that way towards Colchester. And it can be a little bit tricky when you first come in. I'm just going to head down to Sainsbury's, try and get something from tea and maybe a little bit of popcorn for tonight's food, which will probably be chick flicks. Tonight's food for tonight's film. Probably some Bridget Jones or something, I think. I'd hopefully get a phone charger too. Oh, and maybe some petroleum. This is bonkers. The cheapest one I can get is $14.99. Oh. Well, it's not the charger. I'm hoping. I've tried all the chargers on my bike. Hopefully it's not my phone.
I really will be buggered. I'm a technophobe. I'm not good with technology at all. It's a bit tricky when you're a vlogger. But we get there. 1% battery, 7 minutes till the rain. I don't think it's going to last, but hopefully I'll be able to navigate my way. Because it's now raining. I don't want to be riding around in circles in this. But I will say, ta-ta for now. I'll be back tomorrow with Southend on Sea. I have heard the run again. Ah!